Hello everyone, today we're starting Module 10, which is about big data and Apache Spark using Java. This is our last module of the course. In this lecture, I want to focus on the concepts first and then briefly connect them to code. By the end of this module, you should have an intuition for what it means by big data, why we need distributed systems, and how Spark actually processes data under the hood. Here is the list of objectives of the module. First, we want to understand the core big data concept, especially the so-called 3Bs, volume, velocity, and variety. These three ideas explain why traditional single-node database systems eventually run into limits. Second is we want to understand Spark's architecture and ecosystem at a high level, the role of a driver, the cluster manager, and the executors, and how Spark supports batch, streaming, SQL, and machine learning workloads. Third, we'll look at how Spark represents computation as a DAG, a directed acyclic graph of steps, and how the data flows through that graph using partitions and shuffles. Finally, we'll connect all of these theory back to practice by looking at how to write simple Spark queries in Java using Spark session and dataset row. As you watch the rest of this lecture, try to keep these four goals in mind.